This is Keysafe Network. We are decentralized protocol for secret management. And I will start by a brief introduction about Keysafe protocol. The context why we are building Keysafe is that secrets are important for Web3. What we see secret here is usually confidential, high value, and small size data, include especially private keys, IAM tokens, and asset credentials. Because private keys control everything in Web3, so we can see the importance of secrets to Web3. And how do we manage secrets today? There are several ways for private keys. The first way is code wallet. Code wallet, they keep private keys in an offline physical device or notebooks, and they sign transactions with the device connected. And the second method is MetaMask or Coinbase wallet. They keep private keys in the device and sign transactions directly with a key in the local disk. The third way is using new cipher, which keeps private key in a decentralized network and recover the private keys with a master private key. And the fourth way is Taurus-like way. Taurus split the private key into three parts, keep one in the notebook or server, one in the local device, one in the distributed nodes, and recover the private key with two pieces of the private key out of the three pieces. And the last way is UniPass, which is a project on Nervos, and they keep private keys in a centralized cloud and sign transactions with soft keys generated and stored in the local disk. But for all these solutions we have currently, they all have many problems. Uh, for Cold Wallet, the accessibility is low and it is not recoverable, which means if you lost your device or if you met some kind of accidents like fire or like flood, your private key will be lost forever and you have no way to retrieve your private keys. And for Taurus, the disadvantage is also obvious because you have to split the private keys into three parts, and you still have to keep two of them out of the three pieces. So it's complicated and it's not that secure. Regarding the last method, UniPass, the pain point is that it is centralized and the single point of failure always exists in UniPass. What we want to do is that we want to private keys and secrets in a safe and alive way, which means users should be able to uh, use or retrieve their private keys with Web2 like user-friendly authentication methods, including email, Google Oath, and social media accounts from anywhere in the world without carrying any device. Yeah, this is Keysafe. Keysafe is a decentralized protocol for private key or secret data, backup, retrieval, and access management. Keysafe uses secure multi-party computation and trusted execution environment to store private keys for users in a secure and decentralized way. Regarding the specific technical solutions, we use three core technologies to make sure that Keysafe is secure and safe. The first thing is trusted execution environment. Trusted execution environment guarantees secrets and code loaded inside Keysafe protocol to be protected with respect to confidentiality and integrity from hardware level. For the implementation of trusted execution environment, currently we are using Intel SGX, and in the future we will be using some open source infrastructure like Keystone as well. And regarding the second point of the components of KeySafe, it is threshold secret sharing. So in KeySafe network, your private keys are not stored in KeySafe directly. Instead, they are split into pieces, and each piece will be stored in a specific, in many specific trusted execution environment nodes. And the benefit of doing that is that even one of the PE node is compromised, the hacker can only have one piece of the private key. He is still not able to reconstruct the whole private key. And the third feature of KeySafe protocol is that we support custom multi-factor So for users, especially Web2 users, when they enter Web3 world, one of the biggest barriers is that they have to keep their private keys. They have to learn how to keep the private keys. But we offer this solution. They can log in, use their Web2 accounts like Google accounts, email accounts, or like even a cell phone number, and they can directly play with Web3 decentralized applications. Yeah, so highlights Keysafe is lossless, memoryless, keyless, and it's highly secure, and it has high portability and comparability. And to make the presentation more concise, I will start with the demo now. Yeah, here is a demo that we have for Keysafe protocol. So basically what you can see is the user dashboard. This will be the user, like if I am a first time user, what I can do is that I can enter Keysafe network, and when I input my email account, and I can start my own dashboard. And after entering the dashboard, I can add my private keys here. For example, I just copy some random keys. I'll just copy some random private keys, and just click continue. Because I have already set the authentication conditions, my private keys will be securely stored in the decentralized trusted execution environment network. And if I want to retrieve the keys, I can just click recover here and choose the public address of the keys that I want to retrieve. And I just need to fill in the authentication. I just need to fulfill all the authentication conditions, like email. I just do a brief verification, and I will receive the verification code here. And the second share, it is a passphrase that I set before the demo, so I just enter it here. And submit. Because we use threshold secret sharing, so we only need two pieces of the three authentication conditions. We are able to reconstruct our whole private key. And now we can see our original private key here. And what we can do besides retrieve and recover private keys, we can also set delegates. If we set another account as delegate of this specific account, the T node will perform multi-party computation, and they will be able to assign transactions for the owner, for the delegate, without revealing the private key itself. Yeah,